Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your boat Astra 3. First, ensure your device is fully charged and powered on. Keep your mobile device close, ideally within 1 meter, to facilitate a smooth pairing process. Next, download the official Boat Lifestyle application from your App Store. This app is essential for managing your device's features and ensuring a stable connection. Now let's move to Bluetooth pairing. Open your phone settings and turn on Bluetooth. Then, launch the Boat Lifestyle app. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Look for Boat Astra 3 in the list of available devices and tap to connect. You should hear an audible confirmation once the connection is successful, indicating it's ready for use. Once connected, the Boat Lifestyle app unlocks many features. You can explore various sound profiles and adjust equalizer settings to personalize your audio experience. Customize touch controls for playback, volume, and even activate your voice assistant with a simple tap. Regularly check the app for firmware updates to ensure your Boat Astra 3 always has the latest enhancements and performance improvements. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your Boat Astra 3 and your mobile device. If problems persist, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache in the settings. As a last resort, reinstalling the Boat Lifestyle app can often resolve stubborn connection difficulties. Remember, patience is key, and these steps usually get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.